Hey everyone, welcome back to L-Dubs Investing. If you're new to the channel, guys, welcome. And if you're not, thank you for dropping back in. In this video, we are talking cryptocurrency today. We are talking about what's happening with stable coins. We're also talking about crypto tax and how that's going to affect you and so much more. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to L-Dubs Investing. Don't forget, if you like this content and you want to see more videos on cryptocurrency, don't forget to like and subscribe. It is absolutely free. Let's jump in. Having a look at the overall market today, we are having a slight red day today. We have BTC at 35,813, Ethereum still at the $2,400 mark, and we have selected altcoins in the green to dark green today, with majority in the red today. Looks like once again we have still not hit that uptrend, that next wave. I feel that we are going to sit around these levels quite a few weeks until something in sentiment changes in the markets. Who knows? Let's get into it. Alrighty, stablecoin company earns record level investment sum for a crypto outfit. Circle now holds the record for receiving the biggest investment round taken by a crypto entity. Crypto companies have been on the rise in tandem with the industry growth in recent years. A report from Forbes recently detailed a number of large investments into the blockchain and digital asset entities, with one $440 million play rising to the forefront. Circle, creator of the second largest stablecoin USDC, has raised $440 million in private investments from an array of private equity institutions and strategic investors. Forbes wrote on Friday. Circle linked the deal on Friday, capturing investments from the Fidelity Management and research company FTX and others. The article recapped that the details around the top 12 most sizable monetary contribution crypto outfit has been received over the years in order of size, with Circle summing the list. Holding second place, crypto mining solutions provider Bitmain tooted a 2018 investment round of $422 million, according to Forbes. Bitmain account takes two spots of the first list, having received another investment in 2018 to the sum of $292 million. BlockFi holds the third place with $350 million in VC round for 2021. Dapper Labs and Blockchain.com come in fourth and fifth, having received $305 and $300 million respectively. What are your thoughts on this? Are institutions getting involved? It seems to just be compounding on compounding. These are large sums of money, guys. You know, this is all about adoption, all about that next stage of investment. Unfortunately, most of us do miss out on these investments, but you know, that's for us to speculate on these ones, guys. On to the next one. Alrighty, bearish signals grow as Bitcoin price drops to 35k and traders ignore the dip. Bitcoin price hangs slightly above 35k while traders simply watch the dip from the sidelines. The cryptocurrency market faced a new wave of selling pressure on May 28th as Bitcoin price dropped to 35,100 and traders seem generally disinterested in buying the dip ahead of the weekend. Despite the downside moves seen across the market over the past 2 weeks, institutional investors have the most part held firm in resolving to stay committed to cryptocurrency, but the absence of "we bought the dip" announcements have retail traders wondering if Bitcoin price is a further downside. While some analysts see the possibility of BTC falling below 20,000, guys, I really doubt this, but you just never know what's going to happen. Case scenario, the overall price trajectory of BTC remains skewed to the upside, with the weekly trend of higher lows still intact. You know, I follow the old saying, guys, your trend is the friend until the end, and we are still in an overall uptrend market, guys, regardless of what's happened over the last 2, 3, 4 weeks. You know, we still are up on that uptrend there market, and therefore I'm still saying well and truly bullish. On to the next one. Alrighty, Australian Tax Office supports crypto profits or else. The ATO said it already knows who is invested in cryptocurrency and expects cooperation. The Australian Taxation Office has urged citizens to accurately report any profits made in the process of trading cryptocurrencies like BTC, anticipating tax filings from a pool of 600,000 Aussies who he now believes be instead in the digital assets. The ATO Assistant Commissioner told that people make this mistake of treating crypto like a currency as opposed to an asset. The ATO wants to rid citizens of the myth that cryptocurrency profits are tax-free or they only need to be declared when cashing back out to fiat. Lowell said the taxation was already aware of who is invested in cryptocurrency thanks to the cooperation it has received from exchanges and banking institutions. Follow the money trail back to taxpayers, and we do not that through the ATO, which has data matching profiles with cryptocurrency exchanges, and they provide the information to us where we use that information to cross-match with people's tax returns. There isn't a game of hide and seek. We have got the information, and we are seeking people to do the following the rules. We know most Australians follow the rules, he added. He said, alarmed by some people reading to ignore tax obligations incurred in the world of cryptocurrency, the ATO will contact 400,000 Australian citizens in 2021 to urge them to review their previous lodged tax returns and prompt them to report capital gains or losses on crypto trades. Once again, guys, death and taxes, they're the two things that virtually you can't go without. I always report my taxes and gains and losses because, that's just the way it is. And you don't want to have, the IRS if you're in America or the ATO if you're in Australia, anyone coming knocking at the door going, hey, where's my money? Just follow the process, guys, and make sure you do report as accordingly. On to the next one. American convenience store chain now accepts BTC payments. Mid-Atlantic convenience store giant Sheetz is set to accept Bitcoin and crypto payments across its outlets. Retail crypto payments accepts in the United States continue to grow as Sheetz announces plans to allow the use of digital currencies in its outlets across the country. In a release issued on Thursday, the convenience store chain announced its partnership with the digital payments founder Flexa to enable customers to pay for products and services with cryptocurrencies. As part of the announcement, Sheetz revealed that the crypto payment option was for both in-store items and gas pumps and their other 600 outlets across Pennsylvania, Idaho, mainland, Virginia, North Carolina, and West Virginia. Cryptocurrencies that be accepted by the convenience store chain include BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Doge. Who would have thought? Is this bullish news? I think this is bullish news, guys. Once again, another corporation that's got over 600 sites accepting BTC. Fantastic. If you live in any of those states, please reach out if you are going to use BTC or cryptocurrency in those areas. On to the next one. For the long haul, when BTC nosedive, institutions held fast. Institutional investors know crypto assets are volatile. They're making a general bet and are not deterred by a few weeks of volatility. Mid-May's price plunge was one of crypto's wildest pullbacks in recent years, a tumble that estimated nearly $1 trillion of the crypto market. The industry has soared to new highs a month later, with BTC reaching almost 64,000, driven in good part by institutional investors. Now that some calm has returned to the market, bears are asking, how did institutions behave during the recent collapse? Did they jump or hold firm for the investments? And what impact might the pullback have in future institutional participants in cryptocurrency and blockchain industry? Fantastic question. You see it on the news all the time. Big hedge funds talking about the volatility and why no one wants to get involved. But this is proof in the pudding, guys. Institutions held strong. They were just buying the dip. A lot of retail investors were selling, were scared. But the institutions, I feel, are here for long-term, guys. They are here for the adoption of the overall cryptocurrency market, not for a short-term gain. They are interested in the blockchain technology which crypto is run on. Institutional investors mostly held firm. Senior market analyst Eddie from Cointelegraph and Discuss Settled still seemed confident with their long-term bets. Also, Chainalysis chief economist wrote in a May 19th market analyst, it also does not appear that institutions are significant sellers, although there has been more cautious as buyers right now. On the other hand, analysts from JP Morgan told their clients that institutional investors abandoned Bitcoin for gold during the swamp. And then when Elon Musk rose on May 12th tweet to Tesla would no longer accept BTC in exchanges for automotive, city concerns about TTC energy consumption was blamed by many of the accelerating Bitcoin market descent. It was already declined but fell another 40% after his tweet and has since had trouble recovering to the $40,000 mark. Once again, guys, in my opinion, I feel that institutions are here for the long term. They're here for the technology that the blockchain is run on, guys. This is definitely an evolving technology. This is greater than most of the technologies that we have out there. And these institutions, because they were late to the party, I feel that these guys are definitely for the long-term, guys, in my opinion. On to the next one. Hey, guys, thanks for sticking around towards the end. Please don't forget, if you like this content, don't forget, like and subscribe, guys. It is absolutely free. Speaking of free, if you want to get yourself some free Bitcoin, check out the pinned comment to CoinSpot and, of course, Coinbase, guys. If you want to get yourself a free stock, check out the pinned comment to Stake, and we will spin the roulette wheel. See you next time.